Ready to unlock your data superpower and level up your career with a Tableau certification? Okay, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Tableau certification website. Use a search engine to find the official Tableau certification page. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid any issues. Browse through the available certifications to find the one that suits your experience and career goals. You can find certifications for various Tableau skills, such as data analyst, specialist, professional, and more. Take some time to review the prerequisites, exam details, and what each certification covers. Once you've decided on the certification, look for the registration section. On many websites there is a register now or sign up action button. This will usually have an icon of a person or a pen. Click this button or find the link that will take you towards the registration process. Depending on the certification, you'll need a Tableau account. If you do not have an account, create one. If you already have one, sign in using your existing credentials, username, and password. Alright, now it is time for the registration process. You will encounter a series of forms requesting personal information. Fill out the registration form completely with your name, email address, and any other required details. You will need to also include a payment information section. Be sure to have a valid credit or debit card handy. Carefully review your registration details before submitting to verify that all the information is accurate. Before submitting, you will likely need to sign an agreement acknowledging that you agree with the terms and conditions. Congratulations, you're registered. Keep an eye on your email inbox for a confirmation message and any further instructions about scheduling your exam. Start preparing for your exam using the official Tableau resources and take some practice tests. Passing a Tableau certification will definitely validate your skills in data visualization and analysis and show your expertise. Best of luck on your certification journey.